All right, when we're ready, guys, we're gonna pull up our back wheel, bike onto the back wheel, have it ready, look and wait for the chair. Once it goes past you, walk out, and we'll aim to put our front wheel into the bike rack, and let's go. Nice, good push onto the bike rack. Safety bar down. All right, crew, as we get to the offload station, you're gonna stand up at the yellow line, walk forward, grab your bike and just pull it back. Once you do that, bike down, we're gonna jump on the bikes, down the ramp. Let's go hit another trail. Well guys, hey, chairlift's now turning. First day, it's December 27th. Looking forward to seeing you all up here. Let's ride.